Look, listen, and say. He is sleeping. She's waking up. They're laughing. She's drawing. They're reading. They're singing. Do activity A from your textbook. Complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb in brackets. Use the present continuous. Click on the gaps to review your answers. The boy is talking to his mother. The girl is helping her mother. They're having breakfast. We're studying English. You're sitting in my chair. I am opening my bag. Do activity B from your textbook. Complete the sentences with the